Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to bake the perfect homemade coffee cake. Get ready for a treat. A great coffee cake features a moist, tender base and a delicious crunchy crumb topping, perfect alongside your morning coffee. First things first, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need for both the cake and the irresistible crumb topping. For the cake batter, you'll need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and leavening agents like baking powder and soda. For the crumb topping, prepare flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and cold butter. This mix adds the signature texture. Now, let's start mixing the cake batter. Accuracy in mixing is key to a light and fluffy cake. Start by creaming the softened butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Next, alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk to the creamed mixture, mixing just until combined to form a smooth batter. While the batter rests, let's prepare the signature crumb topping for that perfect texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon until they are well combined. Cut in the cold, cubed butter using a pastry blender or your fingers, mixing until coarse crumbs form. Don't overmix. Now that both the batter and topping are ready, it's time to layer and bake our coffee cake. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into your prepared pan. Then, sprinkle half of the crumb topping mixture over the batter. Carefully spread the remaining cake batter over the first layer. Finally, top generously with the remaining crumb mixture. Bake your coffee cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 55 minutes. The moment of truth. Let's check for doneness and prepare the cake for serving. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is done. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before serving. For an optional finish, dust the cooled cake with powdered sugar or drizzle with a simple vanilla glaze before enjoying a slice.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.